Today, we're transforming a basic globe into a stunning golden masterpiece in Adobe Illustrator. First, we need our globe illustration. If you don't have one, you can easily create a circle using the ellipse tool and then use the direct selection tool to tweak it into a globe shape, or you can download a pre-made one. Make sure your globe is a single shape or a grouped object. Next, select your globe and head over to the Fill Color panel. Choose a base color, something in the yellow or orange family that will serve as the foundation for our gold. I'm selecting a medium orange now. Let's open the gradient panel. This is where the magic happens. Click to add a gradient to your globe. We're going to create a gold effect by mixing different shades. Double-click the color stops below the panel to adjust their colors. Begin by setting the left color stop to a darker shade of orange or a brownish orange, representing the shadows. Then, set the center stop to a bright, sunny yellow to be the highlight of the gold. Finally, set the right stop to a slightly lighter shade of orange to create a smooth transition. Adjust the colors using the color picker, sampling colors, or entering hex codes. Now, fine-tune your gradient. Select the gradient tool from the toolbar, and click and drag across the globe. This will change the direction and angle of the gradient. Experiment until the light appears to catch the globe just right, creating a shimmering, three-dimensional effect. You can further enhance the effect by adjusting the position of your color stops, making highlights brighter and shadows deeper, or by adding more color stops between existing stops and playing around with the stops colors as needed. Now you can say goodbye to the flat, boring globe and hello to a gorgeous golden one. Experiment with different colors and gradients to unlock other amazing color effects.